What if I told you that you can create a full music video using AI with original music, smooth visuals, and perfect lip syncing all in one place? No studio, no mic, no camera, and no awkward singing in front of camera. Before I move forward, just look at this music video I created using this tool.
Under these lights, my heart calls your name. Every breath I take feels never the same. The crowd disappears when I see you there, lost.
If you love music but hate being on camera, this is for you. If you've ever thought, I have ideas, but I can't sing, or I don't have professional equipment, that's the problem. But don't worry, because this tool will fix this problem. Most people quit before starting because they think music creation needs talent, confidence, and money. But this AI removes all three. You write the idea, the tool handles the voice, the visuals, and even the lip syncing. Yes, you can run a completely faceless music channel, and people are already doing it daily. The tool name is called VizaSound AI. I've put the link in the description, so go and sign up your account. The dashboard is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly, so you won't get lost clicking random buttons like most AI tools. With this one tool, you can create jingles, emotional songs, K-pop style music, instrumentals, birthday tracks, and more. In a few clicks, you go from an idea to a full music video. All right, let's create our first music video. Simply click on the Create Jingle option and a new page will open. Here you'll see two options, AI Assistant and Manual. If you already have a music idea, like your own lyrics, you can use the Manual option to bring your idea to life and create your own unique music video. But if you don't have a specific idea, just select the AI Assistant option. Then simply enter lyrics, prompt idea, like which type of music you want. If you don't have your own idea, no problem. The tool also provides quick prompts like love, birthday, friends, or random, which you can use to create a music video instantly. In the visual prompt section, if you already have an image or want to use your own image, you can upload it and the AI will use it to generate a stunning full music video. All right, I will paste my own idea. Once everything is set, just click on Create Lyrics and the tool will automatically start generating the lyrics for our song. Now the lyrics of our music video are ready. You can use them as they are or edit them. Like you can add lines, remove lines, or adjust them. I will paste mine. Next, in the voices section, you have two options. You can choose My Voices if you want to use your own voice, or select AI Voices to let the AI sing for you. For this tutorial, I'll go with AI voices. In the generation section, you can select the music genre. There are options like K-pop, electronic, rock, hip-hop, and many more. I'll choose K-pop. The style section is optional. You can either type in the style you want for your music video or choose from options like male vocals, emotional, playful, romantic, etc. Once everything is set, simply click on Create Song and the AI will start generating your full music track. Now the song of our music video is ready. Next, select the music video option. You will see an option to choose the video length, such as 5 seconds, 20 seconds, or the full duration of your song. For this demo, I will select 20 seconds. Next, you can choose the style for your video. You'll see two options here, cinematic and lip sync. Cinematic is for creating a movie-style music video with creative visuals, and lip sync is for making the character match the song perfectly, like real singing. If you want realistic lip syncing, you can use the lip sync option. For this tutorial, I'll choose cinematic. Next, enter your video prompt if you want. Now you'll see a few advanced options. You can upload your own video, and you can choose the aspect ratio based on where you want to post the video. Once everything looks good, click Finish Video, and the AI will start generating your music video. Once your video is ready, take a moment to watch the final result. Look at how everything comes together, the lyrics, visuals, motion, and lip syncing all perfectly synced. It's truly amazing and feels like a professional music video. Now your video is ready to download. Simply click download and it's ready to use for any purpose you want. So, guys, This is your chance to turn musical ideas into real song with perfect music video. You don't need confidence, a studio, or even a camera. With VizaSound AI, you can create your own music, upload it to your channel, and share it with the world. Even a faceless music channel can earn views, grow an audience, and start generating income. Stop waiting for the perfect moment and start creating. Your music journey starts right here. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your music ideas in the comments. I'd love to see what you create using this tool. In the next video, I'll bring more powerful tutorials and creative AI tools to help you grow even faster. I'll see you in the next video. Until take care, and thank you so much for watching.